Hi, welcome to our work. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install this 10x3 255x80 8065-6 solid tire on your electric scooter. This tire fits a scooter that using 10x3, that using a tire with 10x3 size or 255x80 size or 8065-6 tire. So if your scooter is using any of the tire that I just mentioned, this solid tire will fit your scooter. If your rim is splitting, like you can see this rim here, this is the rim, and it's going to have to be splitting in two parts, like you can see. This one is like a two part. The part with the motor and we will have one. So I will do another video where you can install the solid tire in a wheel that is now splitting, but that will be in another video. In this one, the installation will be in two parts. The first part is to get this ring inside the tire, and then I just put it on using some longer screw. The best things about this tire is it comes with longer bolt like those. So the tire comes with a longer bolt, so it will make your installation easier. Link will be in description. So let's start. First of all, I will get this ring inside the tire, and I'm going to use those screwdriver. So let's see. I guess I have to put my almost inside, but just need to do it a little more. Good. Now this is the motor side, and then you just have to slide this wire here, and then And now I'm gonna use my longer bolt to fit. So you have to dry those bolts, the longer one, until you can fit the tire on the other side of the motor. And you do it on the 6th screw, on the 6th bolt. So let's keep riding it. Now look like it's pretty tight. So let me use those screwdriver. Yeah, you just put your screwdriver between the rim and the tire, and then you pull it up so the tire can be on the rim. The tire will be perfectly sit on the rim. Good. Yeah, now you can see it's getting closer. Now you have enough. You have space here again to drive the motor in again. So let's do it again. Now it looks like it's tight, so let's see. There is still space. There is still some space between the rim. So I have to keep tightening the rim. So let me do it this side. See, now the rim should be at the same level of the tire. So you see here he's getting at the same level. Do it here too. Yes, now let's see. Not finished yet. Yeah, you see this side is good. It's well fit. You see, you can see it perfectly fit. But here is not yet. You can see the rim is still outside on top of the tire limit. So I need to keep riding in the tire. So this side. Go. Perfect. Perfect. Good job. Good. Good. Yes. Let's see. Perfect. Now you can see the rim is perfectly fit. You run the tire. Same thing here. You can see it. This means your tire is perfectly fit. And it's good. Now you gotta take those longer bolt, so you can use the original bolt. So let me take them out. Just take one by one. So you can see how long. This is the original one, and this is the longer bolt that comes with the tire. So now I gotta use the original bolt. So the purpose of this one is just to help you install the tire, then you can throw them away. see the original one is good. Yes, now you can see it perfectly fits, and you do not have to worry about flat anymore. Good. And you can see this is the same tire that was installed on Apollo Phantom V2. You can see here, and then it was also installed on Varla Eagle 1. This is how you can install this 10x3 solid tire on your electric scooter. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe, and see you at the next video. Thank you and be blessed.